Hi, my name is Grant Dixon. I'm a trial lawyer. I've been representing victims in personal injury claims for well over 20 years. I get questions from friends, family, clients, and sometimes on the internet. I have one of those questions for you here today. What is disability? Disability is literally the lack of an ability, and that comes from an injury that you've had, for example, in a personal injury accident. Say you were involved in a car crash and you hurt your shoulder. You might not be able to lift your shoulder, your arm up as you used to be able to. You might not be able to reach things or carry things. Those are all disabilities. One of the most important things is to be able to document those disabilities because we tend to minimize how serious those are. A competent and capable, experienced personal injury lawyer will help you document those and make a claim so that you get the full compensation you're entitled to. At Dixon Law Office, we've been representing victims in personal injury matters for well over 20 years, and we're able to help you, but you need to call us first. Our phone number is 888-354-9880, or you can chat with us 24/7 on the web at attorneysmakingitright.com. Because when everything goes wrong, we make it right.